Hello everyone. In this video, let's understand how we can separate text and number from column D. To do that, first I need to select the column D data, shift control down arrow to select the complete table, and then I go to home and here find and select. Then you need to go to special. Here by default nodes will be selected, so I need to click on this constants. The moment you select this, all this will be enabled. So now first we want to separate the text, so then keep only the text and select all others and click OK. Now you can see the text, whatever the text we have in this column has been selected. Control C and then go to this text column, Control V. Now only the text has been selected and pasted here. Similarly for the numbers, again same steps. Go to this find and select, go to special constants. Now instead of text you need to keep only the numbers because we want to extract the numbers here. So unselect all others, click OK. Now only the numbers has been selected. Control C and here Control V. Here is the data. Thank you.